In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about your Zomee Z2 double electric breast pump, including the parts, modes, and settings. We've included recommended pump modes and settings to help you get started, but everybody is different, so feel free to adjust based on what feels best for you. Your Zomee Z2 includes the following parts: your Zomee Z2 pump, which you will use to control the settings throughout your session, breast shield body, which comes assembled and is made up of a diaphragm cover cap, diaphragm, and pump body. Diaphragms create suction and help keep milk from backing up into the tubing or motor. An additional diaphragm has been included and should be replaced as needed. Duckbill valves that help create suction and direct milk into the bottles. Replace the duckbill valves every 1 to 3 months. Tubing sets, which connects the pump motor to the breast shields, allowing suction to reach the breast. Bottles and lids for milk collection and storage. Bottle-based stands for supporting the bottles on a flat surface. Breast shields in 4 additional sizes: 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 24mm. If none of those fit right, call our mom line to activate the perfect fit promise. Free replacement shields in any size you need. And a charger. For extra support, you'll receive a nipple ruler guide and a printed instruction manual in both English and Spanish. Your Zomee Z2 has 3 pumping modes. Use the mode button to switch between stimulation mode, expression mode, and 2-phase mode. Before your first use, fully charge your pump. Charge for 2 hours to reach a complete charge. We recommend beginning every session in stimulation mode. To turn your pump on, press the power button. Press the mode button until you reach stimulation mode to begin your session in stimulation mode. Stimulation mode uses short, fast, gentle suction, similar to how a baby nurses. This helps stimulate your breasts and trigger letdown, which is the flow of milk. There are 9 suction levels in stimulation mode. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the suction gradually between levels 1 and 9. Remember to increase slowly and only to a level that feels comfortable. The first time you turn the pump on, it will start in stimulation mode and automatically switch to expression mode after 2 minutes of pumping. This happens only during the first use. After the first use, you will switch modes manually. Expression mode delivers a slower, deeper, and stronger suction pattern designed to help increase milk output. There are 9 suction levels in expression mode. Use the plus and minus buttons to slowly adjust from level 1 to 9. Zomee recommends starting expression mode at the same level you used during stimulation mode and gradually adjusting based on your comfort. Pump in expression mode for 8 to 10 minutes or until you fully emptied your breasts. To trigger a second letdown, you can switch to 2-phase mode. This setting helps stimulate your body differently than stimulation mode and is more effective for achieving your second letdown. 2-phase mode alternates between stimulation and expression. It begins with a gentle, faster suction and transitions into a slower, deeper pull. This mode has 9 suction levels. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust. Stay in 2-phase mode for 8 to 10 minutes to help encourage a second letdown and complete an approximate 20-minute session. Some moms prefer to stay in 2-phase mode for the entire session, and that's totally okay. Everybody is different, so use the settings that work best for you. To pause your session at any time, press the pause button. When you're ready to continue, press play to resume in the same mode and suction level with your session time saved. For night pumping, your Zomee Z2 features a built-in night light to help you see the screen in the dark. Simply press the night light button to turn it on or off as needed. Your pump will automatically shut off after 30 minutes as a safety precaution. We don't recommend pumping beyond that time. When you have finished expressing milk, press the power button to turn off the breast pump. Carefully remove the pump body from your breast. Store freshly expressed breast milk in cleaned and sterilized containers. Refrigerate or freeze immediately. After each use, wash washable parts in warm soapy water. Do not wash tubing or the breast pump motor. Never submerge the pump motor in water. For more information, check your user manual. Need a different size? If the included breast shields don't fit quite right, we'll send you a free pair in the size you need. No hassle, no extra cost. Scan the QR code to request a new size complimentary through our Perfect Fit Promise. Need support? Contact our mom line at 1-888-662-7159 to speak with experienced moms and certified lactation consultants.